In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add quiz questions to your quiz in Moodle. So first of all, you're going to want to go ahead and open up your quiz. From here, if you don't have any questions in here, you will see an Edit Quiz button. If you already have questions in here, this button will not display. Another alternative is to go up to the blue gear and go down and click Edit Quiz. To add a question, we go ahead and click on the Add button and choose a new question. Choose the type of question that you would like to add and click Add. You can type in the question name here. Note, I like to make the question name and the question text the same, so when I'm looking for this question later on, it's easier to find. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my question name there, and keep in mind that this is an HTML editor, so you can add in links, bulleted lists, you can add in pictures, you can add in videos, and you can add in audio. What is the default mark? In other words, how many points is this question worth? General feedback is provided here. This is to give general feedback at the end of the quiz on this question. Since this is a multiple choice question, now I get to choose whether there is one or multiple answers. I'm going to choose only one answer. Do I want the answers to be shuffled? I check this if I do. And then what do I want my choices to be labeled as? Either A, B, C in small letters or 1, 2, 3, Roman numerals, etc. Put in my first option here. What I like to do is I always like to put the top answer on the top if I'm shuffling my answers because here I'm going to go ahead and grade this at 100% because Barracuda is the correct answer. Choice 2 I will put in, and this is not the correct answer, so I choose it as none. Answer number 3, I'm going to grade that as also none. And option number 4, and also grade that at 0%. Note I do have a feedback option here, and if I set that up in the quiz, I can give feedback for each of these answers as they're taking the quiz. You notice I have a fifth choice here. Whatever I leave blank will not be part of my choices. If I'd like to have more choices, I can add 3 more here. Keep in mind, again, if you don't fill them out, they will not show up. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and save and continue to my course. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and click on Save Changes. Here you will see my question. Over here on the left, I can go in and click on the gear to edit it. I can go ahead and click on the magnifying glass with the plus sign to preview the question. It'll pop open in another window. And then if I want to delete it, I can hit the garbage can here. This is how many points this particular question is worth, so I can type in a new number there if I want. When I want to add another question, I simply go through this process again by clicking on Add and a new question.